provides reliable power, ensures uninterrupted work, fast charging, and keeps your laptop always functional. My today's video is about top 5 best laptop charger that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ESC-style laptop charger. This Surface laptop charger is a well-designed and reliable replacement option for a wide range of Microsoft Surface devices, including Pro, Laptop, Go, and Book series. It ensures broad compatibility while delivering stable, consistent power output. With 65W, 15V4A charging, it efficiently powers your device for multitasking and daily productivity. The additional 5V/1A USB port is a useful bonus, allowing you to charge a phone or accessories at the same time and keep your workspace organized. Safety is a strong focus, featuring smart thermal management and built-in protections against overcurrent, overcharge, and short circuits. The heat-resistant ABS casing further enhances durability during long usage sessions. The snap-in magnetic style connector ensures a secure and stable connection without wobbling, while the extended 10-foot cable adds excellent flexibility for work setups. Overall, it's a durable, safe, and practical charger that offers strong performance and convenience for Surface users. Now our second product is Marsdock laptop charger. This 65W Surface laptop charger is a powerful and reliable upgrade for Microsoft Surface users, offering noticeably faster charging performance compared to lower wattage adapters. It can fully charge devices like the Surface Pro 8 in around 1.5 hours, making it highly efficient for daily use. It supports wide compatibility across many Surface models, including Pro, Laptop, Go, Studio, and Book series, ensuring it works with both older and newer devices. Safety is well considered, with built-in protections against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits, helping extend battery lifespan and ensure stable performance. The usage warning about avoiding soft surfaces is also helpful for safe operation. The 10-foot cable adds excellent convenience, allowing flexible use in bed, office, or even car back seats. The magnetic plug is easy to connect, and the LED indicator clearly shows charging status. Overall, it's a fast, safe, and user-friendly charger ideal for Surface users needing reliable power. Our third product is PowerPort Neuralink laptop charger. This 65W Dell laptop power adapter is a reliable and well-rounded replacement or backup charger for a wide range of Dell devices, including Inspiron, Latitude, Vostro, and XPS series. It also supports laptops that originally use 45W chargers, making it a versatile option. Just be sure to confirm the 4.5mm x 3.0mm connector before purchase. Performance-wise, it delivers fast and stable charging comparable to the original adapter, with intelligent chip control that helps optimize charging speed while reducing heat buildup. Built-in safety protections against overcharge, overheating, and short circuits add extra peace of mind. The portable design is another strong advantage, weighing only 367 g and featuring a 2.5 m total cable length for flexible use at home, office, or during travel. Its wide voltage compatibility, 100/240V, makes it suitable for international use. Overall, it's a safe, efficient, and travel-friendly Dell charger with strong performance and dependable build quality. Now number 4, Huawei laptop charger. This 65W USB-C laptop charger is a versatile and practical replacement option for a wide range of devices, including Chromebooks, ThinkPads, Dell Latitude/XPS series, and many other USB-C compatible laptops. With wide input, 100/240V, and multiple output levels up to 20V/3.25A, it ensures stable and efficient power delivery across different usage needs. The fast charging capability makes it suitable for both work and daily tasks, helping keep your laptop powered efficiently. Its broad compatibility list is especially useful for users with multiple devices or those needing a reliable backup charger. Designed with a standard USB-C connector, it offers convenient plug-and-play use without complicated setup. The included AC power cable makes it ready to use right out of the box. Overall, this is a dependable, multi-device compatible 65W USB-C charger that delivers solid performance, making it a practical choice for home, office, or travel use. And our last choice is SLETech laptop charger. This 65W USB-C laptop charger from SLETech is a highly versatile and practical power solution for a wide range of devices. With support for 100/240V input and multiple output levels up to 20V/3.25A, it delivers stable and efficient charging performance for everyday use. One of its biggest strengths is wide compatibility. It works with many major brands including Dell, HP, Lenovo, Acer, Samsung, and Asus, covering Chromebooks, ThinkPads, XPS, Latitude, Yoga, and Spectre series. It can also replace or support 45W USB-C chargers, making it a flexible option for different devices. The 65W output ensures reliable fast charging for work, study, or travel, helping keep devices powered throughout the day. Its USB-C design adds convenience with simple plug-and-play usability. Overall, this is a dependable and multi-compatible 65W charger that offers solid performance, making it a great choice for users needing a universal USB-C charging solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.